Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture, we are going to discussing one of the important problem, especially long answer. First of all, observe the given question. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder whose axis is the given line. This is the axis of the cylinder. X minus 2 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 3. And the required right circular cylinder is passing through one point, capital A is equal to 0, 0, 3. So now we have to find the right circular cylinder equation with the help of the line and one point. Okay, so here you have the diagram of right circular cylinder. This is the axis of the right circular cylinder. Now this axis equation is only here. We have x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z by 3. This is the equation of the axis of the right circular cylinder. Now from this equation, this axis passing through one point, take that point as 2, 1, 0. Okay, I am taking that point on axis is capital A is equal to 2, 1, 0. Now to find the right circular cylinder equation, what we need more else? Okay, so in the problem they are saying that right circular cylinder passing through one point. Take that point, I am taking that point here 0, 0, 3. This is the given point. Take this point capital B. Okay, so capital B. Now to find the right circular equation, what we have to do is we have to find the radius of the right circular cylinder. Radius of the right circular cylinder is nothing but from this point, exactly if you take the perpendicular distance, this is called radius of the right circular cylinder from a point. That means radius is nothing but from a point on the right circular cylinder. If you take a length of perpendicular distance to axis of the cylinder, that distance is called radius of the right circular cylinder. Okay, now I am writing this value. So this value is small r, you know very well. So if you find the small r, see, observe carefully, A, B, this point I am taking O. Okay, so wherever that this point I am taking O. So if you joint these 3 points, then we will get one right angle triangle. So like this, AB is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle OAB. So now from the Pythagoras theorem, okay, to derive the right circular cylinder equation, we have to find AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. What is AB square? Hypotenuse. And OA square. OA square is nothing but projection of AB. Projection of AB on the axis of the right circular cylinder. And what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is radius of the right circular cylinder. This is the given information and total explanation of the diagram from the given problem. So we'll discuss the solution of this problem step by step. Observe carefully. Solution. So first of all, I am writing given line equation. Given equation of the axis. Equation of the axis. What is that equation? X minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 3. Okay, so if you compare this equation with the general equation, what is the generator equation? X minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N. Or else in this format we can take x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N. You can compare the given axis equation with any one of these two equations. Okay, now I am comparing with this form. Okay, so therefore if you compare the given axis equation in that form, we will get where, so point x1 comma y1 comma z1 in place of x1 y1 z1. What is the value here? 2, 1, and z is nothing but z minus 0 also we can write. That means we can write 2, 1, 0. Okay, that is a point lying on the axis of the right circular cylinder. And what are the direction ratios here? And L, M, N. What are the L, M, N values? L is equal to 2, M is equal to 1, and N is equal to 3. These are the given values. Okay. So now, so let that right circular equation passing through that point A of O 0, 0, 0, 3 na. Okay. So let capital B. Actually, they won't mention capital A, capital B. We have to take in that problem. Okay. So capital B is equal to 0, 0, 3 is equal to B of, I am taking that point as X naught, Y naught, Z naught, B any point on the cylinder. Okay. So passing cylinder is passing through this point only. We are taking the point on the cylinder. Now, to find the right circular cylinder, what we have to find? First of all, we have to find the radius of the right circular cylinder. But here, to find the radius of the cylinder, the only one concept we are going to use every time is perpendicular distance. Okay, length of the perpendicular distance. But here, the given line is not in AX plus BY plus CX, BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0. Given axis of the cylinder is not in this format. Okay, if it is in this format, then directly you know very well the perpendicular distance formula. Small d is equal to mod AX plus mod AX plus BY plus CZ plus D by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. We can apply this formula. Okay, but the given equation in this format. So for these types of axis equations, we have one more formula to find the length of the perpendicular. That formula I am going to write now. Observe carefully. Okay. So now to find the radius. So radius is important. Now radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder we can denote it with small r is equal to length of the perpendicular, length of the perpendicular from the point B 0, 0, 3 to axis. Okay, axis. What is the axis? See, you can take this one equation number 1, amma. This point to take as equation number 1. Every time instead of mentioning axis, we can also simply mention equation number 1. Okay, to axis equation number 1. So for these types of axes, we have the formula small r is equal to, remember carefully, under root of m into z0 minus z1, z0 minus z1 minus n into y0 minus y1, y0 minus y1 whole square plus, after n, write again n only. Okay. So next already z0 to y0 completed. Next come to x0 minus x1. Okay. After n again take L amma. Okay. L. Okay. Minus L into, again you will get z0 minus z1 minus z1 whole square plus, next plus, and after L again write L only. L into z0 completed, again write y0 minus y1 minus m into x0 minus x1 whole square. This is the numerator formula of the length of the perpendicular, all divided by sum of the squares of the direction ratios, L square plus m square plus n square. This is the formula to find the length of the perpendicular of the point to axis of the cylinder. Okay, how to remember? I will explain this problem. Okay, so remember in this format, first z0 minus z1, y0 minus y1, x0 minus x1. Same cycle again repeats one more time. First z0 minus z1, y0 minus y1, x0 minus x1. You have to remember that cycle. And after that factors mn. Okay, starting value is m, ending value is minus m. That means plus m minus m. Next n, minus n plus n, and minus l plus l. You have to remember in this format. Okay, so just remember this formula. Now what are the points here? x1, y1, z1. x naught, y naught, z naught. Okay, so I will write the points here. X naught, y naught, z naught. Here x naught comma y naught comma z naught. X naught comma y naught comma z naught. What is the point? Point on the cylinder. 0 comma 0 comma 3. What is x1? X1 comma y1 comma z1. Point on the axis. What is that point? 2 1 0. Okay, 2 1 0. Be careful with the values. And what is LMN? LMN. LMN is equal to, what are the values? LMN values 2 1 3. Okay, so in this format you have to remember the values. So these are the values. LMN values వచ్చేసి మనకు 2 1 3, x1 y1 z1 2 minus 1 0, and x0 y0 z0 values is 0 0 3. Now with the help of these values, substitute and simplify, then you will get that small r value. Small r is equal to under root of, what is the m value? M is equal to 1 amma. 1 into z0 minus z1. Z0 minus z1 means 3 minus 0 minus, what is the n value? N value is 3. 3 into y0 minus y1. Y0 minus y1 means 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 whole square. Whole square plus next second value n. Where is the n? N is equal to 3. 3 into x0 minus x1. x0 minus x1 means 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 minus L. Small l is nothing but 2. 2 into, so z0 minus z1. Z0 minus z1 means 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 whole square plus, and again after that value, again L. L is nothing but 2. 2 into y0 minus y1. Y0 minus y1 means 0 minus 1 minus after L minus m. M value ma 1, and after m x0 minus x1. x0 minus x1 means 0 minus 2 whole square. Okay, so this is the numerator value only. Whole divided by under root of L square plus m square plus n square. That means 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. So therefore small r is equal to, so I am writing directly 1 into 3 minus 0 3, 3 into 1 3, minus into minus plus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into 3 again minus 6 whole square plus, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2 whole square, whole divided by under root of 4 plus 1 plus 9. So this value. So therefore here I am writing small r is equal to under root of 3 plus 3 6. 6 square plus minus 6 minus 12. Minus 12 whole square plus, so plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So therefore 0. 0 square means 0 only, by whole divided by 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 4 14. Root 14. So therefore small r is equal to final value. The 6 square is 36 plus 12 square. Minus 12 square means 144 whole divided by root 14. So therefore we can write 36 plus 144. 36 plus 144 is 180. So 180 I am writing whole root by 14. We can cancel this value. So 2 sevens are 14, 290, 180. So therefore we can write the final radius value of the cylinder, small r is equal to under root of 90 by 7. This radius is a unit sum. You have to write in the units. Okay, that is distance value. Now we have the radius value of the cylinder. Now I am writing that equation of the right circular cylinder. So therefore after getting the radius directly, required equation of the right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is, so what is the required equation of the right circular cylinder? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square minus small l into x minus x1 plus m into y minus y1. y minus y1 plus n into z minus z1 whole square by l square plus m square plus n square equal to small r square. This is the equation of the right circular cylinder. Okay, so here in place of x1 y1 z1, okay, in place of x1 comma y1 comma z1 we can also write alpha beta comma gamma. Okay, in the beginning of the right circular cylinder theorem, okay, we discussed and we have taken that point as alpha beta gamma. That's why once again I am reminding you. Okay, don't get confused. Here x1 y1 z1 is also equal to alpha beta gamma. So now substitute the corresponding values in this equation. Okay, x minus, what is the x1 value? X1 y1 z1 is the point on the axis. X1 value is 2. Okay, x minus 2 whole square. Y minus y1 value is 1. Okay, plus z minus z1 value is 0. Minus, what is the L value? So L is 2. X minus x1 means x minus 2 plus m is 1. Y minus y1 means 1. Okay, plus n is 3. So z minus z1 value 0 whole square, whole divided by L square value is 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square is equal to, what is the small r value? Small r value root 90 by 7. Root 90 by 7. This is a small r square. Okay, root 90 by 7 whole square. So now expand this value. If you expand, so I am writing this value as it is, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, z minus 0, that means z square only, minus, simplify inside the bracket. So multiply with 2, 2x minus 2 to the 4 plus y minus 1 plus 3 into z whole square by 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square, and I am writing directly that value is 14 is equal to, square root will get cancelled, 90 by 7 will come, this value 90 by 7. Now see, expand these three factors with respect to a minus b whole square formula, and here simplify 2x y 3z minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so one more step will come here. So next slide, I am writing in the next slide. So therefore continuation, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z square minus, so here I am writing, so 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5 whole square by 14 equal to 90 by 7. 90 by 7. Okay, so 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5. So that is the value. Next, apply LCM in LHS. LCM is 14. Okay, 14 into x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z square minus, so here if you here also you have to write 2x plus y plus 3z minus 5. 3z minus 5 as one term, all divided by, okay, so all divided by 14. 14 equal to 90 by 7. Okay, so now 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 cancel. Now I am writing 14 into, expand these values, a minus b whole square formula, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y minus 1 whole square is nothing but y square plus 1 minus 2y plus z square. This is a value minus, here a plus b plus c whole square formula. Okay, what is a plus b plus c whole square formula? So in previous classes also we discussed these types of expansions, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is a formula. With respect to that formula, now take this value as a square, a, and y is b, and this total value is c. Okay, so now expand that value, a square. A square means 2x whole square, directly I am writing 4x square plus b square y square plus c square 3z minus 5 3z minus 5 whole square. Okay, so plus 2ab. Plus 2ab means 2 into a into 1. So 2 into 2x into y plus 2bc. 2bc means 2 into y into 3z minus 5. 3z minus 5 plus 2ca. 2ca means 2 into 3z minus 5 into a. A is nothing but 2x. This is the total expansion. Okay. So now here in denominator 2 is there. Send the 2 value to RHS. 2 into 90, it is equal to 180. That value is equal to 180. So therefore, so 14 into, simplify. So x square I am writing first, y square after, and z square. First square terms I am writing, and minus 4x minus 2y. What are the constant values? Plus 4 plus 1. That means plus 5 minus. See here, 4x square plus y square plus 3z minus 5, again a minus b whole square. So therefore expand with a minus b whole square formula. 3z minus 5 means 9z square plus 5 square ante 25 minus 2ab minus 2 into 3 6 into 5 30 30z. Directly I am writing plus 2 into 2 4 4xy plus directly multiply this value. 2 3 is 6 6yz plus into minus minus 2 5 is 10 10y. Okay, here we have three terms together. 2 into 3 6 6 into 2 12 12xz 12xz plus into minus minus 2 into 5 10 10 into 2 20 20x minus 20x equal to 180. So therefore now multiply with 14. 14x square plus 14y square plus 14z square. Okay, so 14 fours are minus 56. 14 fours are minus 56x minus 14 twos are 28y. 14 twos are 28y. Next 14 fives are, what is the 14 fives are? So 70. 70. Now multiply with minus each and every value. Minus 4x square minus y square minus 9z square. Okay, so now minus 25 minus into minus plus 30z and minus 4xy minus 6yz minus 6yz minus into minus plus 10y minus 12xz minus into minus plus 20x is equal to 180. This is the value. Now see, be careful with the simplification. How many x squares are there? First of all, here 14x square and minus 4x square. What is the 14x square minus 4x square? 10x square. Okay, so next 14y square minus y square. 14y square minus y square 13. So in the next slide I am writing the values. So 14x square minus 4x square 10x square plus 13y square and remaining value z square. Next, how many values are there? Z square. 14z square and minus 9z. 14z square minus 9z means plus 5 square. Okay, so plus 5 square plus 5z square. So next, finally here after x square y square z square, take xy value. Here you have minus 4xy. Only one value we have. So write that value minus 4xy. Minus 4xy. After xy term and next what we have? YZ terms. Any YZ terms? Yeah. Here yz term minus 6yz. After yz, zx minus 12zx. Okay, so minus 6yz minus 6yz minus 12 zx minus 12x zx. Okay, so next After xy, yz, zx, take x values. Minus 56x. Minus 56x. There is no other C. Minus 56 plus 20x. Minus 56 plus 20 minus 36. Okay. So we can write here minus 36x. Next, similarly, y value. So y value minus 28y, and here we have plus 10y. Minus 28y plus 10y minus 18y. Minus 18y. Minus 18y. And similarly, z value. Z plus 30z. Only z value is only one value is there. So therefore plus 30z. Plus 30z. And remaining values constants. What are the constants? 70 plus 70. Here you have plus 70 minus 25, and that's it. 70 minus 25, that is minus 45. Minus 45 if you send to RHS, plus 45. Okay, so that's it only. 70 plus 70 minus 25 plus 45. Send that plus 45 value. So plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. So if you send that plus 45 value to RHS, so therefore 10x square plus 13y square plus 5z square minus 4xy minus 6yz minus 12zx minus 36x minus 18y plus 30z. So 180, take that 180 value to LHS. Okay, 45 minus 180, we can write minus 135 is equal to 0. So this is the final equation of the, this is the required final equation of the right circular cylinder. So in this format, we have to solve the total problem. Okay, this is the total explanation of this problem. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with the next method based on the right circular cylinder only. Make a perfect practice. Prepare well. Thank you.